In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto scroll on Instagram Reels. So this should be very straightforward. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Go to your Play Store or Apple Play and then go here. I'm going to type Instagram. Then make sure that it's all is up to date. And then here I'm going to go to Instagram and then I'm going to Reels, and then you can see these three options. Click on these options and then you will see auto scroll is going to show like new, and then you can just enable it, and now you can see if you're playing Reels it's going to automatically scroll for you. So you can see here, you can see this is just an ad, it's just scrolling for me here, you can see, so it's automatically scrolling. That's pretty much it for the video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.